Hello everyone. Today I will make a turkey sandwich, guys. This is a big bread. I love vegetables, so I want to put lots of vegetables, guys. I love mayonnaise. It's up to you guys what you want to put for your sandwich, but myself, I love mayonnaise. I love my mayonnaise. Kind of. And I will put mustard. Oh, I will not. Oh, sorry. I want to. I will put mustard to the other side. And this is my cheese. Cheese. I'll just put this here. I just put that there. Clean it later. And this is the turkey, guys, that I bought in grocery store. I'll go a bit closer. My turkey. I love vegetables, guys, so I will put lots of vegetables. So this is my pepper. I'll just put it in there, I guess. Maybe I'll move it like that. This is my olives. Oh, lettuce. And spinach. cucumber. Cucumber. As I said, I love vegetables. So I'll just put lots of vegetables. My tomatoes. And we'll put a little bit of this. Release pickles, release. Sweet pickle release. In this one, guys, bacon Caesar sauce. It's up to you, actually, guys, what you want to put. If you want mayonnaise, just mayonnaise, whatever you want. But this is what I like. This is my own version of turkey salad. As I said, I love vegetables. So I'll just now I put too much vegetables. Now this is my salad. It's big. Now I will cut this into three. Even three is kind of still big. Maybe I will make it four. Three is still big. Oh, I will cut it. No, even it's big, guys. So I'll just cut it in not too big. Oh, hello, guys. This is now my salad. My turkey salad. Ano? Hello, guys. This is my turkey sandwich. Now, ready to eat.